Hello guys, today we are going to learn how how GitHub can be GitHub file repo can be updated using online commit. Now, first of all, we have a my page repository that says hello I am hosted on GitHub. Now let us update file online content. Click on save. Now let us push our changes to GitHub changes now push to our master branch and our GitHub repository must say GitHub changes and it should include hello I'm on with online content. Now this is our local file changes and push on GitHub. Now we are going to learn how to change online. Now go to your repository, click on the document file you want to update or change. Now click on this pencil icon that is edit this file. Now you can write content on GitHub website. Now like anything you want to change on this file, just type on it and go to the bottom and write your commit message from online commit commit. Now simply you can create a new branch or push or just on master branch. Now create commit. Now your git repository will say GitHub website with the commit message from online. Now also this should be synced with your local files, right? Your local file just said online content, but it consists of online content on GitHub, so you need to pull the online changes on your local website. It should say now files and it will be automatically update. Hope you guys have learned online commit on GitHub. Please support this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys.